Don from Montrose has a question about a leaky balcony.
It's on a 20-year-old 3-story townhouse. And I think we've had this kind of question before.
A lot of them.
Don writes, rain is leaking from the balcony into the living room below. It has a rubber membrane under it like the concrete ones used under tiles in showers, he says. And I can only assume it has deteriorated over time. And it suggested to me that we get the deck waterproofed. So Don's looking for a waterproofer, and I'm thinking of a certain roofer.
Yeah, this is, Charles, you can answer this one. It's Ideal Roofing. They're a waterproofing expert. Now, here's the other thing, though. I doubt the membrane has deteriorated. I have a feeling it's going to be more of a flashing issue somewhere.
Oh, okay.
So I want those roofers to come out. Don't just see, he's already got in his head that he's going to put a waterproofing material over the top. Mm-hmm. That might not be the solution to the problem. So let them come out and find the problem, and then everybody can come up with a decent solution. It might be a lot less expensive than you think.
And if they do have to waterproof this thing, Tom, they're not going to just go over the top. They're going to have to go down and
as
pull
far
the
as
stuff
if
off.
You're going to have to go all the way back down to the decking, and then put the roof on, put the walking surface on, put the flashing in, not necessarily in that order, but it's going to be done properly. It's not something you can just put some plastic roofing cement somewhere and say, look, it's all fixed.
Well, you can.
People try that.
You can, but it wouldn't be.
No, it wouldn't be. That's right.
All right. Believe me, we've heard of all kinds of things.
Yes.
All right. And we'd like to hear what's on your mind. You got a question, send it to us. Go to HomeShowRadio.com. It's our website. Click on the Ask Tom button. Fill out the form. Send it to us, and we'll answer it just like we answered these ones over here.
Ding.